So hi guys and girls, I'll be giving a short this thing about a short description about what is business model and what is business model canvas because this is to help you for the YIP program, okay, Young Innovation Program. Now, see, business model will give you exactly how a business works, okay. It will have these components how, about products, services, the revenue model, how money will come, who is your target customer, okay, and what is the infrastructure you need, what is the management you need, what is the value that you creates, what are the costs involved and how you will distribute. All these things will be there, okay. This is an overview, okay. Now basically the meaning of business model is it describes the rationale of how an organization creates and delivers and captures value, okay, basically how the money comes, okay, how value is created to the customer and in turn how the value comes to the company, okay. Basically customer gets some value from the company and the company gets some value from the customer, usually as money, okay, as revenue. So the exact model will be given as a diagram in business model, okay. Now I'll take you to the, this is known as business model canvas, okay, something which all of you should know. This I will share in the group, okay. So these are the major components. In the pink you see the key parameter, key things, key partners. Who are the key partners? What are the key activities? What are the key resources, okay. Then in blue you can see what are the different propositions, okay, value what are the value that you will create for the customer, okay. And what are the customer relationship that you build, what are the, which are the customer segments that you are targeting, okay, the customer segments that you are targeting, and what are the which are the channels that you will use, will you use e-commerce, distribution, whatever, okay, that to reach the customer, what are the ad, how, which are the marketing channels that you will use, kind of things, okay. And in the yellow you can see that you will get the about the money, what are the costs involved, how much you have to invest, the cost, and what is the revenue you will come. Right side is how much you will get, okay, how your money will come, how much from each service or product, how much you will get, and how are the income coming, and what are the cost, what are the expenses, okay, in the below. So when you fill this entire canvas, this diagram, you will get to know the about the business. So you have to do it like this, okay. That is how you have to make the business model. Now I'm going to show you see one of the most successful business model, innovative business model by Uber, okay. Uber did a different model, okay, business model, innovative model. So you can see the partners here, their partners were drivers with camps, okay. They have the mapping company, okay. They had the investors, then payment processors, okay, payment for the for giving payments like the what do you call the Google Pay and other platforms, okay. Then the key activities, what are their key activities given over there? See, they are hiring drivers and they are linking the customer and the driver. The key resources, the technology platform, their app, okay, skilled drivers, trained drivers. What is the value to the customer? Minimum waiting time, okay, and the less price for the customer, cashless ride, and they can see the correct track, okay, and all those things. They know, okay, they will get to know the route, other things. And then for the drivers, what is the value? For the driver, he's getting additional income, and he'll get more work, okay, easy payment procedure. Drivers can be paid online, okay, even, okay, all those things. Then customer relations, okay, the social media, how they maintain the customer relations through the social media, customer support, review systems, and other things. You can rate, review them. Which are the channels they use? They are using website, mobile app, and mobile for iOS and Android, okay. These three things, website and two different apps. Which are the customer segments they are targeting? One is user, customer, and other one is drivers, okay. Driver is their customer and user is a customer, okay. Which type of users and which type of drivers, it is clearly given, okay. People who love to drive, even people who are not pure taxi drivers who love to drive can also be their customer. And the cost and revenue is clearly given. The cost is for the technology, for the app and technology, other things. Then the salary to the permanent employees, they have some permanent employees in their company who coordinates, and also the launch events and marketing expenditure, okay, and the commission given to the drivers, okay. Then the revenue streams, what is the revenue that they're getting? The car rides per kilometer or per mile, how much they are getting, okay. And the surge pricing, when there is high traffic, they get higher prices, okay. The surge price, and they also get through Uber taxi, Uber black, Uber SUV. They have premium things, and where they charge higher, okay, luxury cars and other things. Then the Uber Cargo, they also launched Uber Cargo, Uber Rides, and recently they even launched Uber Eats, Okay, food is also supplied to them. So this is the business model which is created. It's a very innovative model which has created one of the biggest taxi company in the world without even buying a single taxi and without even hiring a single driver. So this is a you have to make something like this, have an idea and make this business model canvas. Okay, that is how you can innovate in business models. Okay, so thanks a lot. So I hope it is useful to you.